This video today is brought to you by MANSCAPED, my favorite grooming company. I love MANSCAPED so much. They recently just released the Lawnmower 3.0 and literally it's waterproof, it's stunning. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you guys to take a look. And inside is the actual razor itself. It's so cute, it's so small. It's definitely like literally usable for every type of man grooming you can think of. We gotta make sure those guys look gorgeous. So like, bitch, MANSCAPED is everything. This is the Lawnmower 3.0 and literally it's easy to use. It comes with like a guard. It also has like the safe power button in the front. Also my favorite, it does come with a light and it's super quiet. So you know, if he's inside there grooming, girl, you don't even have to hear him. Check out the link below and get 20% off with my code Kimora20 plus free shipping. This also makes the perfect Valentine's Day gift, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys! Happy Valentine's Day. It's not Halloween. I know I'm giving you guys some devil vibes right now, but you guys, today we're gonna go ahead and do a look where I just use reds. Like, I just love reds. Red to me is like, oh, Valentine's Day, heart, love. So I need you guys to grab all your reds right now because we're about to get this look down. I'm done with my makeup, you guys. All finished. What do you guys think? Can you imagine if I went out like this? Do you think I'll be stared at? Do you think people will be like, oh my God, what's going on? I mean, I can kind of get used to this. This is kind of like, wow, brows. I'm just kidding. It's February. I just want to make this clear. I'm not trying to do like no Valentine's Day every video of the month. No. It's not like that. It just happens, the fact that I have been obsessing over pinks and reds and, you know, in February. Okay, you know what? I do love Valentine's Day. I just really love my partner. I love him so much, honestly, as annoying as he is sometimes. I do love him, and Valentine's Day is a great way to just to kind of remind yourself that it's the day of love and just tell somebody you love them. Or if you don't even like, if you're not even with somebody, just go and just like literally say I love you. But you guys, we have brows on today. We're gonna go ahead and do a look that a fan of mine told me to do, a wet red eye with some red lips. And I'm kind of like, but I don't know if I'm gonna do wet. We're gonna go and see how it goes with the red because I'm a little nervous because I'm using all products that are not made for the eye. I'm gonna be using a lot of liquid lip pencils, red things that are definitely not for the eye. I started off with my brows because you guys know I do the same thing. Why not just kind of start with my brows? But you guys, today, literally, hot gossip, you guys. Obviously, I love Jeffree Star and I'm so excited that he is coming out with another blood palette. You guys know I love a good blood palette. They're just so iconic. The packaging is iconic and I'm so excited. So we're gonna go ahead and get this red eye going. I really don't want to be so like highlighted and so like drag, I want to say. I kind of want to be very soft around with really blown dramatic eyes because I think a red eye is very dramatic. So there's gonna be a couple of products that I'm not gonna use today, but who knows? Because you know, as I go, I always tend to put a lot on. Right now, you guys, we're just gonna go ahead and set that underbrow, making sure like it stays super dry and matte. I'm gonna start off with a pencil, and this one is Lady Gaga's. This is the color Supermodel. I'm gonna just line underneath my eyes. Oh wow, that's like super red. I'm like super scared because red is not really a color you want on your eye, but I think it's gonna be really pretty. So what I'm doing, you guys, taking that red liner, getting like really as close as I can to my eyes, and I'm just gonna buff out the edges. So my liner that I use on my eye, it does buff out very clean. Oh wow, that's kind of pretty. So I'm just kind of buffing out as much as I can. Now I've used like red actual lip products on my eyes before. They do blend out nicely, but what happens is that when you start to blend it out, it does get thinner and thinner. So obviously this tells me like I have to put more. I'm gonna go ahead and go on with a red base and just really give it like that extra kick. Oh wow, that's definitely better. So just getting that color wrapped around. Look at the difference. So that obviously looks so good. I do know that this product is made for brows. So what you want to do, you guys, is blend out the edges because they do dry very fast. Right now I'm just buffing it out. Wow, I do like that a lot. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. I'm like kind of obsessed. So I'm just really right now kind of blending it out. I'm kind of feathering out the edges. And you guys know, like, especially with me, like I love a blown out shadow that's almost seamless. And I just really don't like shadows that are so perfect where it's so cut. Let's go ahead and apply one more layer to make sure it is super red. Oh, it's so pretty. And then on the bottom, let's go ahead and just make sure that is red as well. Ooh, I love that. And in this brush, you guys, I started off using a blank brush, so obviously there's color on it now because of the cream product. That's okay. So if there's too much product, take a towel and just kind of wipe off. I'm just really blending out the product that I have on the eye. I'm not really adding any more product to the eye. I'm just kind of feathering it out. Oh, I love that. I went back on this eye because this eye I pulled out a lot, so I just want to make sure it matches. Does that match? Oh, it does match. Okay, just take that same brush and just blow out underneath. Oh wow, I'm like really obsessed with this red eye. Now, once we have the base on, oh, there's this color in here. So in the Jawbreaker, I found this color called Licorice. I think that red is actually better than the one in my Mayron blush kit. So we're gonna go ahead and use Jeffree Star. This is a color called Licorice. I think it's called Licorice. Licorice?
Licorice, like a candy.
No, it's not. It's licorice.
That's how you spell licorice.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, it's called licorice? That's how you spell licorice?
Yeah.
Actually, I've never even seen how you spell licorice. Oh, not licorice. Okay, well, take licorice and just take that color and just really blend it into that crease. Wow, that's so pretty. OMG, that is so pretty. Oh my God, look at the difference. That side and this side. Literally so pretty. I'm just like literally so happy I found licorice. I feel like if I would have put like a pinker color, it would look really weird, which I was so close to doing. Oh my God, look how pretty that is. Oh my God, I love it. I'm continuing to put on that color licorice and just making sure it's blended. It's giving me some like dimension in the crease. I really want like a shimmer red. I'm getting out of control now. I really want like a shimmer red where like it just kind of give it like a little, some texture. I love a clean blend. You know what it is? Sometimes like I feel like when people do eyeshadows, I feel like people always want to do the most. And sometimes just having like one color is perfect. You know what I mean? Like I always say like this is kind of like that more easy, simple editorial feel. Sometimes it's just not necessary. Sometimes just a brown shimmer just on top and some fluffy lashes is the way to go. I just want to let you guys know that because I feel like I'm about to leave it like this. Now we have everything on. I think I might leave it this way. I do love the red. It does inspire me to do more of like a red glossy lip to kind of go with the look. But I did find this color in the Blood Sugar palette called Blood Sugar, which is like a shimmer reddish color. I think that's gonna be kind of cool to kind of put on top too. So let's kind of see what that looks like. Oh, wow. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I actually really do love that. This red shimmer is like giving me like full on different textured like, oh, I just fucking poked my eye. I just like poked the fuck out of my eye with the red shadow when you're not even supposed to have red shadow. Can you guys see it? It's like that nice red shimmery kind of moment. All right, you guys, so now just kind of take a step back. I really do love like it's just kind of red and pulled out. I don't even think I want to add anything, to be honest. But right now, let's go ahead and apply some foundation. I'm gonna pull out Bite Beauty foundation. I did try this in a previous video. I'm gonna get it onto a brush. I'm already primed. I actually primed off camera. I'm just gonna apply it with a brush. And remember, you guys, today I'm gonna go very subtle on my skin. I'm not gonna do so much contour where it's really dark. Like I really want to like showcase just red eyes and red lips. I don't really want to do like so much contouring where it kind of like gets in the way. And this foundation is really like soft and natural and like easy to wear, so I don't really have to like prep it in any way. So now once I applied it with the brush, I'm gonna take a beauty blender and I'm just gonna pack it on and just make sure it is super blended. Okay, so just really making sure it's evenly done. I'm gonna highlight a little bit right here. Okay, so now just making sure that blends. Don't get it so close to your shadow because that will leave like some foundation marks. I'm not gonna do any cream contouring today. I'm just gonna go right on with a soft bronzer and just kind of bronze it out to give you some dimension in the face. We're gonna just kind of keep it really skin, just soft, completely everywhere. If you guys are new to my channel and you guys are watching my video for the first time, you guys are probably wondering like, what the fuck am I doing right here? Well, you know what, bitch? I wear a motherfucking wig. So that's where the wig's gonna go in and cover everything. And I don't get ready with my wig on because I feel like that's super annoying. So go ahead and just kind of set your makeup. Oh, wow, I just love this red eye is really coming together. I'm really happy that I chose just to do one color, one solid color, you guys. It totally gives you like this editorial kind of vibe moment. So now let's go ahead and just bake a little bit with a little bit of Topaz from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And then as I do that, you guys already know, we're gonna bronze. So just lightly bronze. Take that bronzer into the hairline. Go in like a circular motion. Oh, I'm like super obsessed with it already, you guys. I'm like so happy. You guys are probably like, oh my god, you look the same. Well, you know, every time I contour my cheeks, it just kind of like pops out more. Something I'm used to. Go ahead and brush off the topaz. Oh, I love it. I love it. My skin looks so good. Let's go ahead and pull out a highlight brush and then pull out your favorite highlighter, and then we're gonna go blush, and then we're gonna go back to the eyes, and then I think we're pretty much almost done and ready for some lips. I'm gonna use some Laura Mercier. Totally living for myself right now, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of contour my nose a little bit. I'm gonna give it like a little kick. Okay, I'm really happy I did that. Remember, you guys, I was like, don't contour so fucking much. Okay, if you guys need a little contour, I totally get it. And then quickly, you guys, let's go ahead and just bake. As I'm baking, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some cool new blushes right now, because there's some new blushes on the block that I'm so excited for. They just literally rebranded themselves, gave themselves a new name. Super excited. The name is so cute. It's called KVD Vegan Beauty. They literally have some cute new blushes, you guys. Now these colors are super dope. I've seen this on Instagram. I've seen this on a couple of the models that they've used, and the blushes are literally, they look like butter, and I can't wait to try them on. Some of the colors are poppy. This one's called Snapdragon, Honeysuckle, Peony, Foxy Love. So they're super cute names. I'm just gonna grab like literally one of them and show you guys the packaging. The packaging I saw online and I was like, oh my god, so cute. I love that they shaped it in a rose petal. So let me just show you guys how pigmented it is. It's literally like butter. I think I might use this one. I'm gonna try the color Fox Glove. It's almost like this nice mauve-y kind of blush color, and I think it's gonna look pretty cool with this look. Okay, so like that. I love to do blush with my contour because it does soften up my face a little, because my face structure is so strong, and I really do hate like that stripe. So see this stripe, how it's contour, highlight. Hi, how are you? I hate that look. I like it kind of like really seamless, and it's just like melting into your skin. So I take a little bit of blush, and then I'm just gonna pack it on. Ooh, that is pretty. Oh wow, that's really pretty. Look at the difference how it just softens it up. I love that. I take it and I just kind of mix it with my contour. Hold on, that's fucking pink. I like that better. All right, cool, I like that blush. I mean, it's blush. It's fucking blush. So, you guys, it is time for lashes. I'm gonna just go put on some lashes right now. I wanna use something very like thin and long, but not full. Like, I really don't want full lashes with the look today. Oh yes, that's the one. Okay, we found the fucking lash. So let's get this on. Oh wow, I like really do love this eye makeup. All right, so same thing on the other side, you guys. Are you guys still with me? Okay, good. Sometimes, don't you hear like that dun 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 when you put on lashes and you're like, oh my god, why am I not breathing? Oh, I love it. Should I draw hearts? Yeah, I should. I'm obsessed. Wow, I'm so fucking beautiful. Okay, we got the lash on. As that dries, we're gonna put on some lips. I'm gonna do a combination of Supermodel. I'm gonna try Folly Fire Cosmetics. Is so cute, and they sent me so many amazing lipsticks, and I love them so much, and their actually lipsticks are pretty good. I've used it in the show before. This one's called Here to Stay. Oh, I already can see what this is gonna look like, and I'm already obsessed. Okay, that's it. I'm just kidding. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull out Here to Slay, and the lipsticks looks like this. There's like a little picture of a flame, and this is like super red. Ugh. It's a little more orange red. I kind of want it more like deeper. So let's go ahead and mix some of this color on it. Oof. I'm obsessed already. Wow. That looks good. Holy shit. Oh, I'm like so fucking obsessed with this look. I feel like I'm about to be doing more like monochromatic like looks like this, because I'm like really obsessed. Morphe just released me! You guys, go over to Morphe right now and check it out. Oh my god, yeah!
Hey everyone, it's Kimora Blac, and I just got full glam at...
You guys, Morphe just released me! Ah! I'm a Morphe babe. Work. More like Morphe daddy. Whoa, I'm fucking stunning. Oh my god, we're still recording. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and put on a wig and see what the whole final look is. What do you guys think? I'll be right back. Wow, it's a lot. I'm like in love with it. It's different. I'm so used to like a lot of shadows, a lot of things going on in my eyes. I'm not so used to something just blown out. So I really hope you guys like this look. I'm just like, wow, this is such a different look for me that I could probably get used to. I'm giving you like, have you guys seen that movie back in the day called Bedazzled? Where the devil kind of takes over? I feel like I'm giving that vibe. And I feel like I'm giving off devil. I'm giving devil Valentine's Day. I'm just kidding. You guys, I had the best time. And honestly right now, go hop over to the Morphe YouTube page. They just featured me. I'm so excited. I'm so humbled by it. And I love the Morphe team so much. And thank you, Morphe, for even featuring me. So you guys, go check out Morphe on YouTube right now. Don't forget to check out Manscaped right now for the Lawn Mower 3.0. This will make an amazing Valentine's Day gift for your loved one. Don't forget to use my code Kimora20. I love you guys so much. In the meantime, subscribe. Mwah. Hearts to you.